Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 on your Xbox and you keep getting this error, unable to join session with error code 0x89236617, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 on your Xbox easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Xbox settings here, and now once you're in your settings, you're going to go into network settings then, and then you're going to go into advanced settings. After that, you're going to go into alternate MAC address here. And now you're going to click clear on here to clear your used wireless MAC addresses. After that, you're going to go back and then you're going to go into DNS settings here. And now you're going to go into manual here. And here you're going to put the primary DNS 1.1.1.1. So put in 1.1.1.1 here. After that, in the secondary DNS, you're going to put 1.0.0.1. So put in that 1.0.0.1 DNS here. Now you're going to go back and then you're going to go into alternate port selection. And here you're going to click manual, and now you're going to select any port from here. After you're done selecting the port, now you're going to go ahead and restart your Xbox. So either click turn off console and turn it on, or just click restart console altogether. After that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.